OKI white toner transfer versus DTG. Many people get the wrong idea that one of these two can replace the other. And we created this video to highlight their differences for you to have a better understanding why you need both in your printing business. Quality. To rate the overall quality, we need to consider the hand feel, durability, and color vibrancy. DTG and OKI transfer solutions follow different procedures in order to print the substrates. DTG prints directly on the garment, while white toner transfers with OKI will let you print your design on a transfer paper and that you will present to the garment. With that being said, direct-to-garment prints directly onto the garment, leaving no hand feel. You will be able to feel the layer of your printed design on the garment with OKI toner transfer. Both can print in full colors. With OKI white toner transfer, printing on dark-colored garments, whether it's cotton or polyester, won't be a challenge because the white underbase can make the rest of the colors pop on the dark substrate. With DTG, pre-treatment is required for dark garments mainly. What happens if you miss pre-treatment? If you skip this process, colors will bleed into each other because the white ink will soak onto the fibers, leaving no underbase for other colors to sit on, and washability will not be good. Variety on printing applications. Both can print on cotton from light to dark colored substrates. DTG can print on any flat cotton surface that can fit into the DTG printer, and that is limited compared to OKI transfer solutions. OKI transfer solutions will let you print your designs onto the transfer sheets and allows you to press the printed sheets on garments, shoes, t-shirt tags, cap, and even hard surfaces. You can do your transfers on almost anything, depends on the type of the heat press that you own. Setup cost. Many people usually talk about how much money you can make with these printing methods, but don't forget to talk about how much would it cost before starting. For direct-to-garment printing, initial upfront cost to get the printer alone can be 4 times the price compared to OKI transfer solutions. Don't forget that you also need to invest on high-quality heat press and a pre-treatment machine. White toner transfers by having OKI laser printer can be done without pre-treatment, but you need to consider the cost of paper that you will be using, heat press, and that's it. Quality and productivity. DTG and OKI transfer solutions are both great options for on-demand. Printing with DTG takes less than 15 seconds. Just have your design ready and print. Easy process makes it ideal to print on-demand. OKI can print your sheets in an instant, making it ideal to print on-demand as well, and print bulk logos for smart digital screen transfers. For customers who want to go for better hand feel, DTG is a great option. But it's best to add this if you already have an existing t-shirt printing business. This is not to discourage beginners who want to invest on DTG printer, but this is to encourage you to do research before investing. And research includes getting to know the target market. OKI laser printer is newbie friendly. And great if you're very experimental because of its wide variety of applications. It has less maintenance and it is a great low-cost investment. To sum it up, both are needed for a successful t-shirt printing business. It just depends on where you're at right now and your future plans on when you're heading to with your t-shirt printing business. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texcraft.com.